work 1.4 more days per month than their office-based counterparts, resulting in more than 3 additional weeks of work per year. It gets very overwhelming to sit at home the whole day and work. It starts in phases. You whine about it every day in the initial stage, you get comfortable in the second one, and later on, you just feel numb about everything. Work from home is the new way to work and move ahead in today's time. You are amongst your family or with your friends. There is always more than one thought in your mind. How will one stay organized during this time and focus on their work? Here is a collection of apps which can make your work from home life easy. Starting from the app Zoom. This app might be extremely controversial, but if you have nothing to lose, then it is quite beneficial. One can share videos, audios and share screens with it. It helps one in having meetings virtually with a large number of people. You can have about 100 people in the meeting room at a particular time. Now let's talk about TeamViewer. This is one of the coolest apps which allows a second party to access your computer or laptop. This is the time for internships, but unfortunately various internships are cancelled for an office mode because of the lockdown. TeamViewers become handy during this type of sessions. Laptops can be configured of interns via TeamViewer and they can start with their internships. It allows desktops sharing, online meeting, web conferencing and file transfer between the devices. Moving ahead to the next tab, that is Trello. It is a good tool for keeping track of ongoing practices, projects, the work done by members of the team. It is a virtual reminder for sorting out to-do list by team members with the different boards for different projects where all members can track the work done and give comments and share links of work completed. Trello is available on almost all the platforms and is total savior for one. Moving ahead with the app Box. This application is an alternative for Google Drive and Dropbox, which allows users to save and share the files securely. The app can also be integrated with Office 365, Google Apps and Slack. It helps to store files in an encrypted way and is considered to be absolutely safe when it comes to saving and transferring data. Moving ahead to Noisly. When you have no choice but to be fully concentrated in an office space, at home you might not work at the required pace. In such a scenario, Noisly comes to your rescue. It is an app that produces ambient sound to help one focus. It also drowns out noises and helps the person to concentrate better for higher productivity. Moving ahead to the next tab, that is Asana. Asana is a project management tool that allows multiple projects to work on a single project. Often people cannot work on Google Documents because the domain-based IDs are different from personal IDs. Projects get created and then get assigned, while followers will be able to see any updates as they get posted. Subtasks can be created, attachments can be added and due dates can be set. Something like Asana is a necessity for teams, but it can also be useful for individual workflows. It's available on every platform and it is widely supported by any software that person uses. Let's talk about the app Notion. Notes can be savior if made properly. Don't remember what your boss said? Check your notes. Notion is an absolutely fantastic app that is gaining popularity now, and this is one of the best note-taking apps with various other uses. It has variety of options. One can easily convert any of the text you enter into a link to another new page, a table, a list, an embedded image, or plethora of other things. It almost feels like a full content management system, allowing you to build effectively your own wiki or mini website in no time at all. One can also export notes as web pages or PDFs.